sa sinasabi mo, Yusek David, tumatanggap kayo ng reklamo mula sa mga consumers na hindi satisfied sa serbisyo ng Prime Water. Ano na po ang nagawa niyo so far? Ano mga na-actionan niyo? Give me an example. Kasi para sa akin, inutil po kayo. Sorry ah. Kasi these people would not come to my show, my radio program, kung kayo po'y gumagawa ng inyong trabaho. The fact na sila'y tumatakbo sa akin by the hundreds na, of course, different households, that means inutil kayo. It's either they don't know of your existence or they know of your existence, pumunta sila sa inyo, hindi nyo kayang i-handle yung kanilang reklamo. Which is which?
Mr. Chair, I think, well, number one, the hotline started basically December of last year, no? So implementation 2025. In fairness, I think we have resolved many of the cases. In fact, pinapatawag namin in the case of Prime Water to our offices for a face-to-face dialogue with the complainants.
You have resolved many cases. I want you to submit to this committee those cases that you have resolved.
Sige po.
At anong klaseng resolution ang ibigay nyo?